In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a huddle in Slack, how to set up and schedule meeting in Slack. We're going to take a Slack huddle link from the conversation where you want to meet, and then use your calendar app inside Slack to create a scheduled event that includes that link. This keeps everything in one place so your team knows exactly where to join and what the meeting is about. Start by opening the direct message or channel where the meeting should happen. Scheduling from the same space helps keep the context, and it's usually where your teammates will look for details or follow-ups. Look toward the top of the conversation for the headphones icon, which is the huddle control. Click the small arrow or caret next to that icon to open the huddle options. From the menu that appears, choose Copy Huddle Link. That copies a join link tied to this conversation, so anyone invited can jump straight into the right huddle when it's time. Now move down to the message box. Type the / command for your calendar app by entering Har Calendar. This opens the calendar actions available to you in Slack. If you don't see the command, your workspace might need a calendar app connected such as Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, which your admin can enable. From the suggestions that appear, select Create Event. This opens a simple event form right in Slack. Give your event a clear, descriptive title so everyone knows the purpose at a glance. Then choose the date that works best for the group. If you work across time zones, take a quick moment to make sure the event time reflects the correct zone for your attendees. Next, set the duration. Huddles are great for quick syncs, so pick a length that fits the agenda without overbooking everyone's calendar. In the description field, paste the huddle link you copied earlier. This makes the Slack huddle the primary way to join, and it's easy for participants to find. You can also include a brief agenda or talking points here to keep the meeting focused. When everything looks good, click Create. Your calendar app will schedule the event and, in most cases, share a confirmation in the Slack conversation. Attendees will receive invites through the connected calendar, and your meeting details will stay visible right where your team already collaborates. That's it. You've scheduled a Slack huddle using your calendar inside Slack, with a clear title, the right time, and a join link everyone can rely on. Thanks for watching, and happy huddling.